Hey guys, Productions here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I have the Glock 17 Gen 4. I previously had the Glock 17 Gen 3, and this is an upgrade. And the slide is not as clanky if you guys know the issue with the Gen 3. 300 FPS velocity, blowback, 12 gram CO2 cartridge, steel BBs, 18 round drop free mag, metal slide, and a weaver rail on the bottom. Also has bonus back straps, and this is a BB gun chambered in .177 cal. Gen 4 CO2 black air gun. On the back is a cancer and reproductive harm warning. Gen 4 officially licensed by Glock. Some of the socials of Umarex. This was around $130 on Amazon. If you guys are interested in purchasing, the link will be down in the description below. And here it is, all opened up. The packaging was a hassle to open. 17 Gen 4 Austria. Stippling looks really nice on this one. Let's put that aside for now. Inside there's some paperwork and an L key. This is for the CO2. Here's some airgun safety rules. And this is pretty funny because down here it says keep the gun on safe unless you're ready to shoot, but this gun is a Glock, it has no safety. Although the Gen 3 had a safety, but this one doesn't, which is more realistic. For ages 16 and older. And here's a comparison chart between all the Glocks 17 and 19. Funny enough, I actually have all 4 of these Glocks. Shameless plug, if you guys want to see more Glock videos, go to my channel. I have pretty much every Glock by Umarex ever made, so go check that out. It says do not return this product to the store. Glock 17 CO2 air gun, and here's just this, if the manual could stay still. Here's the same information I went over. Oh, there it goes again. And the inside, it goes over description, operation, and care, as well as safety instructions. On the back, there's the registration information. Now, finally looking at the gun itself. Glock 17 Gen 4 Austria. This gun is absolutely beautiful. Metal slide, metal barrel, polymer body, and down there's where the serial number is supposed to be, and it's pretty funny because it got completely misprinted and got printed under where it's supposed to be. Anyways, Glock on the bottom. Absolute beauty of a gun. And here's the Glock safety trigger safety down the barrel. It's gold lined. And your Gen 4 beautiful stippling, as you can see. And this magazine is absolutely gorgeous too. It's a really nice beefy magazine and realistic too. On the back it has the little holes to show how many bullets there are if this was a real gun, which of course 17 is standard. And it has full blowback. Really nice. This gun is absolutely amazing. Can't say it enough. I had the Glock 17 Gen 3, and the Gen 3 just really does not deliver as much as this because it's not as well built, and plus it's an older generation too. Traditional Glock sights with the U on the back, dot on the front. Looks absolutely amazing. Now let's compare this to the Gen 3. Here it is. So if you guys listen close, actually you don't even have to listen close, it's just obnoxiously loud. You can hear how clanky the slide is on the, so here's a 17. There's a little bit of clank, it's not really clank, but there's a little bit of noise. This sounds like a whole cowbell. It's ridiculous. And this one also has a safety, as you can see, this one doesn't. I actually like it that it doesn't have a safety, it's more realistic, plus it's not as complicated, you just get it and shoot. Comparison between the mags, the Gen 3 mag is just really bad. It has a hole in the middle, and you know, has a metal finish to the top. This one is all plastic. It's actually metal, but it has a nice plastic matte finish on top. Looks really nice. And that's just pretty much it for this video. If you guys want to check out the Gen 3 video, it will be linked down in the description below. Out of these two, I personally recommend the Gen 4. It's just better built and higher quality. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Take care.